Hi everybody, Family League with Mr. Kabada. This lesson I'm going to present about family English language, particularly basic writing skills from Unit 1 to Unit 5 composition writing. This is the A's part of topics, which is common subordinating conjunctions actually. The first part of conjunction has already published. So this is the second part, subordinating. Subordinating by itself is a kind of conjunction which is dependent by itself, dependent subordinating clause, and the combining of one dependent clause with the other main clause, principal or independent clause, we can get complex sentences. One of the ways of making complex sentence is the dependent clause. So when you say subordinating by itself is it depends on the main clause because the subordinating clause consists or uses subordinating conjunctions. So these subordinating conjunctions make the clause subordinate clause because the conjunctions make it dependent. The conjunctions go with a kind of clause and make dependent or subordinate. That is the rationale why we say subordinate conjunctions. Okay, if we say subordinate, the conjunctions which make the clause subordinate and it doesn't stand by itself and it doesn't convey complete meaning. That's the rationale behind it, please. Subordinate conjunction ስንል ክሎዙ ፓርት ኦፍ ሰንተንስ ሆኖ አያያዝ ቃሎችን ከሱ ጋር ተጠቅሞ ከሜን ክሎዝ ጋር ሊሄድ የሚችል ሲሆን ብቻውን በራሱ ትርጉም ሊሰጥ የማይችል የክሎዝ አይነት ሰቦርዲኔት ክሎዝ። ለምንድነው ሰቦርዲኔት ክሎዝ የተባለው? የተለያዩ አይነት አድቨርቢያል ክሎዞች አሉ። ከነሱ አንዱን የያዘ ከነሱ አንዱን ይዞ ሐሳብን ሲገልጽ ጥገኛ አደረገው ነው። ስለዚህ subordinate conjunction ይሄ ነው ጽንሰ ሐሳቡ። We have at least 7 or 8 types of subordinate conjunctions, because we use these subordinate conjunctions for different purposes. The first one is cause or reason. Cause or reason. When you say cause or reason, the conjunctions which signify cause or reason of something, alright? So we can use these conjunctions for signifying or describing or analyzing of reason, isn't it? So we cannot use any kind of conjunctions whenever we are in a position to signify reason. So the only subordinate conjunction is reason. That's why it's a kind of subordinate conjunction, absolutely right. Some of the reason conjunctions are because, since, as, and given that. We use these 3 or 4 conjunctions without a difference of meaning. Of course, they have the same meaning, but they have sometimes because is more emphatic and more important than since, as, and given that. If and only if the reason or the cause is known by the speaker, we should use because the most powerful reason clause. Absolutely, that's right. Reason clause. And second important thing is especially focusing on because a sentence never begins with the word because, but we can insert because between the 2 main clauses. That's absolutely right. But in case of since and as, we often use between the 2 clauses, and we sometimes use at the beginning of the sentence. It doesn't matter whatever, at the beginning or between the 2 clauses. Of course, that's true, please. That's a little bit different because since and as. Otherwise, we can use these 3 words interchangeably, please. Here, look here. The first thing that to identify or to use an appropriate subordinate conjunction is we still focus on the idea of the 2 sentences, please. So idea. Our intention ዋናው ነገር አረፍተ ነገር ማያያዝ ብቻ ሳይሆን እነዚህን subordinating conjunction ተጠቅመን ፓራግራፍ እንዴት እንጽፋለን፣ ስቶሪ እንዴት ናሬት እናደርጋለን፣ ኮምፖዚሽን እንዴት እንጽፋለን፣ መነሻችን ሰንተንስ ነው ሐሳብን ያገጣጣው ያገናኙ አንድ የሆነ አረፍተ ነገር ኮምፓውንድ ወይ ኮምፕሌክስ ሰንተንስ ክሬት ማድረግ ስለሆነ ሐሳቡን መረዳት የመጀመሪያ ቁልፍ ነገር ነው የሚሆነው ከዛው ውጭ ግን ሐሳቡን ሳልረዳ አንድ ፓራግራፍ ዝም ብሎ ቀለል ያለ ፓራግራፍ ወይም ኢሴ መጻፍ አልችልም because I do not understand what is the intent of that clauses here and if I understand very well I can just use appropriate conjunctions if I use appropriate conjunctions the paragraph the idea that I'm going to write is meaningful that the reader can get meanings from the sentence or from the paragraph absolutely if things which are beyond that the reading or the paragraph or the writing work is boring no one is going to read about my writing work absolutely right yeah so the better appropriate conjunction and the meaningful paragraph you develop absolutely right that's why I'm intending to use some more clarification about this subordinating conjunctions absolutely yes right so we stayed indoors because why did we stay indoors because it was raining ለምንድነው ውስጥ መቀመጥ የነበረብኝ ተቀምጫለሁ ነው ያላለ because it was raining because it was shine because it was fake because there was a problem outside okay እዚህ ጋር የተቀመጥኩበት ምክንያት እዚህ ጋር ምገልጽበት because since or as or right we stayed indoors since it was raining as it was raining no difference at all please since you are already here you might as well sleep yeah since you are already here this is the dependent clause or the subordinate clause ለምን ተባለ subordinate conjunction እዚህ ጋር ስለተጠቀመ ስለዚህ reason ይባላል ይሄ as it was getting dark we turned on the lights why did we turn on the lights because it was getting dark reason ለምንድነው ወደ መብራቱ ዞር የተቀመጠ ነው we turned on ወደዛ ዞር ነበር ምክንያት አላን because it was getting dark since it was getting dark so because in as and since and given that ስንጠቀም በዚህ ኮንቴክስት እንጠቀምባቸዋለን ለምሳሌ just another example is because I've just almost all students failed the exam because the exam was tricky yeah almost all students failed the exam because the exam or as the exam was tricky since the exam was tricky almost all students failed the exam exactly yeah ለምንድነው ብዙ ተማሪ ወድቆ የነበረው ፈተናው ምክንያቱም ፈተናው ትንሽ ጠጠር ስለሚል tricky ወይም difficult complex ስለሆነ ማለፍ አልተቻለም so that was the reason why students failed for the examination of course that is the second kind of conjunction is time subordinating yeah when you say time the conjunction is which basically focus on time and time related events ሰዓትና ከሰዓት ጋር ተያያዥነት ያላቸውን ጉዳዮች ሐሳቦች በመንገልጽበት ሰዓት እነዚህን subordinating conjunction እንጠቀማለን after before when well as until since once whenever as soon as ለእያንዳንዳቸው ምሳሌ አስቀምጫለሁኝ ለእያንዳንዳቸው እንዴት እንደምንጠቀም እነሱን እናያለን please when actually time ነው ኢንፎርም ያደርገው look here when you came here inform me when you come inform me yes when you come here still where you come here as you come here ብለህ ልገልጸው አትችልም inform me when do I inform you I inform me when do you inform me when you come here or when you come time reference ልክ እዚህ እንደመጣ ወይ እዚህ ስትመጣ ለኔ ኢንፎርም አድርገይተል ታይሙን ነው እየገለጻል ስለዚህ you can just use it inform me when you come here it doesn't matter whenever you begin with the word when and between the clause when here but the difference is whenever you begin any kind of adverbs there is a comma between the subordinate clause and the main clause that is the way that we identify main clause and the subordinate clause please so when you come here is called the subordinate or dependent clause absolutely ጽንሰ ሐሳቡን መረዳት ነው I'll call you when the bus comes I'll call you when the bus comes here I'll call you when the bus comes ምን ማለት ነው ማለት ልክ አውቶቡስ እንደመጣ ጥራሃለሁ ወይ ልጠራህ እችላለሁ ነው አይደል አውቶቡስ እንደመጣ ልጠራህ እችላለሁ ሲል አውቶቡሱ የሚመጣበትን ሰዓት ነው እየገለጻለሁ when the bus comes when I meet David I greet him when I meet David yeah ዴቪድን አግኝቼው እንደነበር ሰላምታ ስለዚህ when I meet David time reference ነው የሚገልጸው exactly where I meet where I meet wherever I meet ብል just place ነው አይደለ ግን እዚህ ጋር ኮንቴክስት ግን place ነው አይፈልግም I was riding my bicycle when David called me አሁን look here እዚህ ጋር መጀመሪያው ላይ look here simple present with command simple future ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር simple past የተጠቀምኩት I was riding my bicycle when David called me past continuous ማለት ነው when appropriate conjunction ነው yes I was riding my bicycle when David called me I was riding a bicycle when David called me yes ሳይክል እያሽከረከርኩ እያለሁ ዴቪድ ጠርቶኝ የነበረው appropriate conjunction time የሚገልጽልኝ when ብቻ ነው where ልል አልችልም when I arrived home my wife had prepared my lunch yes this is past perfect ማለት yeah appropriate conjunction yes when I arrived home my wife had prepared my lunch had prepared the first event arrived second event so the right conjunction is when nothing else please yeah ስለዚህ when at least በአምስት በስድስት ኮንቴክስት መጠቀም እንችላለን ታይም እስከገለጸልኝ ድረስ ማለት ነው ያ the other time question or time adverb is after you know after is also a time subordinating clause or time call me after you arrive yeah call me after you arrive you know after means something happened after the first event yeah ከመጀመሪያው event ቀጥሎ የሚሰራ ሐሳብ ምን ገልጽበት subordinating conjunction especially adverb clause of time after ለምሳሌ after I had completed my work I reported to the manager yeah the first is had completed my work second I reported to the manager this example sentence about past perfect because the events are different one happened first or earlier than the second began here so the right conjunction here is after there are two things which happen in different time okay ይሄ በተለያየ ሰዓት የተፈጸሙ የተከናወኑ ክንውኖችን መገልጽበት time adverb after ነው ስለዚህ after እንደዚህ እንጠቀምበታለን the other time adverb before you leave please lock the door something happened before the second happens or the second will happen የመጀመሪያው ተከናውኖ ካለቀ በኋላ ሁለተኛው የምንገልጽበት ማለት ነው before you leave please lock the door of course before you decide to leave the town you have first adjusted the preconditions yeah ይሄ ከመከሰቱ በፊት መጀመሪያ ማሟላት የሚገባህን ነገሮች ቀድመህ አሟልታቸዋል ወይ ማሟላቸው ሲል ይሄ past perfect ነው actually event በpast perfect እንገልጸዋለን but we don't worry about whether the statement is past perfect or present continuous but how is it really the correct conjunction to combine these two pairs of sentence so focus ማድረግ የሚገባን the other kind of conjunction especially time adverb is while the phone rang while I was cooking the phone rang simple past while I was cooking while by itself is the time when yeah while ማለት ትርጉሙ adverb clause of time ነው the time when almost while ከwhen ጋር ተመሳሳይ ስራ አላቸው so here the phone rang while I was cooking or while I was in the middle of cooking suddenly the phone rang or the phone rang by chance all right this is called second action which happened by sudden or uninterrupted event እንላለን interrupted ሳይታሰብ የተፈጠረ የመጀመሪያውን event interrupt የሚያደርግ ሐሳብ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ while time የሚገልጽ ነው while እንጠቀማለን while I'm writing notes my friend is watching a film of course ይቻላል እንደዚህ መጠቀም while I am writing notes my friend is watching a film ልክ ነው እኔ ኖት እየጻፉ ጓደኛ ቴሌቪዥን እያየ ነው ብል it doesn't affect the meaning of the sentence yeah both cases are present continuous both cases are long progressive action and they are happening at the same time but the event is different yeah eventዎቹ የተለያዩ ናቸው በተመሳሳይ የተከናወኑ ያሉ ጉዳዮች ናቸው while possible ነው መጠቀም ይችላል ትርጉም ያለው አረፍተ ነገር ይሰጠኛል ማለት ነው she was dancing while her sister was of course this is also true this is past continuous but the first one is present continuous both are possible while she was dancing her sister was singing እሷ እየደነሰች እያለች ጓደኛዋ እህቷ ተዘፍን ነበር ቢባል meaningful of course ስለዚህ while really correct conjunctionአችን ይሆናል while እንደዚህ እንጠቀምበታለን the other time adverb is until or till time reference ናቸው እነዚህም they have the same meaning until you can just use until interchangeably yeah we're here until I get back you wait here ማለት ነው አይደል you wait here until you get back እስከመለስ ድረስ ይጠብቀኝ ነው you are alive to live with your brother until you get married of course another you are waiting here till she arrives of course እስከምትመጣ ድረስ ይጠብቅ ነው definitely until and future tense ላይ እንጠቀምበታለን future tense which is simple present with future tense totally future tense ማለት ነው as is called the second use of as is time adverb actually as ሁለት አጠቃቀም አለው እንደምንጠቀምበታለን እንደ reason ወይም እንደ cause ሁለተኛ እንደ time እንጠቀምበታለን as she comes a greater as she comes means when she comes a greater so it doesn't signify about reason ይሄን አረፍተ ነገር እዚህ ጋር ብታዩት reason አይደለም የሚገልጽ as she comes I will greet የሚለው main clause reason እንዳይሆን ያግዛል I will greater as she comes because she comes ብላት መጣም አይደለ because ሊሰጥ አይችልም as she comes I will greater ልክ ስትመጣ ሰላምታ ሰጣታለሁ I left the room as the door opened when I left the room two things happened almost at the same time yeah በሩን ከፍቼ ወጥቻለሁ እንደሚለው ሁለት ነገሮች የተከናወኑበት almost በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት መከናወናችን ሊገልጽ የሚያስችል adverb ነው ይሄ the other time adverb is since point of time ነው okay reason ነው ሁለተኛ point of time ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ I have lived here since 2010 beginning from 2010 still I am living here ስለዚህ point of time start of time ይገልጻል sometimes or በሌላ አገላለጽ ደግሞ reason ወይም cause adverb clause ነው የሚገልጸው okay since I am tired I will not play outside yeah since I am tired I will not play outside since I am tired ስንል reason ነው የሚገልጽልኝ yes reason since the sun rises I will go outside and play with my friends yeah time ገለጽኩበት ማለት ነው reason ገለጽኩበት ማለት ነው yeah duringም ልክ እንደዚሁ time adverb ነው ግን ልዩነቱ during ምንድነው noun phraseዎችን ተከትሎ ነው የሚሄደው clauseን አይከተልም subject verb structure ተከትሎ አይሄድም during her wedding she fell sick during her wedding she fell sick yeah wedding ላይ እንደነበረች ነው ታማ የነበረው wedding ላይ እንደነበረች time ነው እየገለጸልኝ ያለው ያ he broke his leg during the game he broke his leg during the game you know during the game is called noun phrase her wedding is called name phrase she fell sick during her wedding he broke his leg during the game that's time reference which is followed by a noun phrase but not a clause so during is the right called subordinating conjunction please yeah the other one is as soon as something happened without taking a certain time or maybe as soon as means immediately okay immediately two things happened almost close time that's immediately as soon as I arrived at the bus station the bus had already left ልክ ደርሼ immediately ልክ ደርሼ እንደነበረ አውቶቡሱ ቀድሞ ወጥቷል ለማለት ነው የጽንሰ ሐሳብ as soon as he arrived at the train station the train had left you are right we leave the campus as soon as she will pay the transport fee of course as soon as ከሌሎች የሚለይበት ጉዳይ almost በተቀራረበ ሁለት ነገሮችን መስራት ካለብን መንገልጽበት adverb clause condition the third one is condition ነው condition ማለት possibility ማለት ነው ያ possibility ማለት ነው it shows possibility yes possibility something with not sure but there is a possibility of happening or not happening that condition እሱ ማለት ነው condition ማለት possibility የሚገልጽ ማለት ነው እርግጠኛ ያልሆንክ ነገር probability የሚገልጽ ማለት ነው እነዚህ ደግሞ ነው ማናቸው if unless even if provided that or provided as long as so long as providing that or providing all these conjunctions are adverb clause of condition because they show or they describe or they infer about possibility of how something happens or possibility of something is happening yeah እርግጠኛ ያልሆነ ነገር ምን ገልጽባቸው conditionዎች ናቸው እነዚህ ማለት ነው you will succeed if you work hard exactly you will succeed if you work hard which is conditional type 1 ማለት ነው yeah, you may be successful or you can be successful ማለት ነው አይደል? if you work hard possibility ነው ጠንክረህ የምትሰራ ከሆነ ውጤታማ ትሆናለህ ወይም ጎልህን ስኬታማ ታደርጋለህ ሲባል exactly 100% ስኬታማ ታደርጋለህ ማይሆን possibilityውን ግን ያሳያል of course ያ possibilityውን ግን ያሳያል ስለዚህ structure if clause is simple present whereas the main clause is simple future plus verb 1 or bare infinitive እንላለን of course that's called you'll know pass unless you study yeah which is negative conditions ነው ያ unless ማለት if not ማለት ነው if not ማለት unless ነው unless ማለት ደግሞ except if unless and if not they have the same meaning please አንድ ያትርጉም አላቸው ስለዚህ you'll know pass unless you study okay you'll know pass unless you ካላጠና በስተቀር ፈተናው ልታልፍ አትችልም ማለት ነው you'll know pass if you do not study yeah you'll know pass if you do not study ይሄ ለምሳሌ if you do not ብላችሁ መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ እንደዚህ ካደረጋችሁ በኋላ if you do not study ይሄው እንደዚህ አድርጌ ልጽፈው እችላለሁ እንደዚህ አድርጌ ልጽፈው if you እዚህ ጋር 24 ነገር you'll know pass if you do not study በቃ ይሄ ማለት ነው ኮማ ታረጋ ኮማ እናደርገው conjunction ስላለ even if it rains the game will continue even if it rains the game will continue yeah of course ምንም እንኳን ዝናብ ቢጥለው ጌሙ አላቋረጠም ይቀጥላል as long as I know him I'll help him yeah እኔ እስከማውቀው ላግዘው እችላለሁ ነው እኔ እስከማውቀው ላግዘው እችላለሁ how much I'm sure that I know the guy I don't know I'm not sure about ግን I can aim for my idea just like this okay ሐሳቤን እንዳልገ ኢንፈር ላደርግ እችላለሁ ስለዚህ እነዚህ አይነት conjunctions condition possibility የሚገልጹ ናቸው even the sentence themselves are may give clues yeah whether the sentence shows about or are intended to be signified by for that conditions አረፍተ ነገሩ ራሱ condition መግለጽ አለመግለጻቸውን እዛው ላይ በደንብ ካየናቸው ፍንጭ ሊሰጡን ይችላሉ the other kind of conjunction is called contrast ነው የምንላቸው or conjunction ሐሳቡን ተቃራኒ ሐሳብን ሊያያይዙ የሚችሉ subordinating conjunctions also though even so whereas and while ያ እነዚህ important contrast adverbs ናቸው of course ቪዲዮዎችን ብዙ ቪዲዮዎች ስላሉ እነዚህን ዛጋ ማየት ይቻላል although it was expensive I bought the jacket or I bought the jacket although it was expensive I can change the position which is between the two clauses also even though without a difference of meaning of course they have here although it was expensive which is a subordinate clause and I bought the jacket ምንም እንኳን ውድ ቢሆንም ጃኬቱን ገዝቼዋለሁ ነው ስለዚህ ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦች ናቸው although though even though whereas while መጠቀም እንችላለን she loves classical music whereas her brother prefers rock yeah whereas ሁለት የተለያዩ ሐሳቦች የተለያዩ ሰዎች የተለያዩ ሐሳቦችን ሲያቀርቡ whereas even though I was tired after the rest of course yeah the same is true for the first sentence these kind of examples are called contrast or conjunction so we read the sentence and evaluate it understand it whether the sentence are opposite or contrast views and after that if you identify the two clauses are contrast you can just use one of the contrasting words here nice the other kinds of subordinating conjunction location and place ቦታን ሊያሳዩ የሚችሉ አቅጣጫን ሊገልጹ የሚችሉ adverb clause of place እንላቸው አሉ where wherever everywhere absolutely ልክ ነው everywhere indefinite ነው wherever የትኛውን ቦታ ለማለት ነው where I left the keys where you could see them yeah I left the keys where you could see them ማየት የምችልበት ቦታ ነው ቁልፉን የጣልኩት ያስቀመጥኩት ነው የሚለው where ነው እየገለጸ ያለው ያ wherever you go I'll follow yes wherever you go I'll follow of course ልክ ነው meaningful ነው wherever you go I will build my flat wherever I get a space to build of course wherever the right subordinating conjunction I will build my flat ሲለን place ይገልጽልኛል I left my keys where you could see them place ይገልጽልኛል ማለት ነው You'll not escape from me wherever you go ልክ ነው of course I'll park my cab everywhere I like I will park my cab everywhere I like because there is any just spaces so I can park which is the place where the parking where I like okay or which is close to my home ልክ ነው ስለዚህ everywhere የሚለው ነገር ከሌሎች ሰፈራ ያለ ሐሳብ ስለሚገልጽ ነው እዚህ ጋር እያወራሁ ያለሁት the other kinds of clause is the purpose clause purpose እንደል ምንድነው ኦብጀክቲቭ ነው ያ ኦብጀክቲቭን ሲግኒፋይ የምናደርግባቸው አድቨርብ ክሎዝ ናቸው purpose ማለት reason clause contrast ምናምኖች አሉ purpose የምንገልጽባቸው so that in order that least for feel that አንደኛ to in order to so as to in order not to or so as not በጣም ሰፊ ናቸው እነዚህ purpose clauses but the structure of the sentence is completely different to in order to እና so that in order that መጠቀምባቸው ያረፍተ ነገር ስትራክቸር ይለያየ ከዛ ውጭ ግን purpose clause እንላቸዋለን look here he wake up early so that he wouldn't be late why did he wake up early because so that he wouldn't be late ለምንድነው ልጁ በጧት ተነስቶ የነበረው purpose ምንድነው መዘግየት ስለማይፈልግ maybe he didn't like to go lately to his work or to his school ስራም ቦታው ላይ ወይም ትምህርት ቤትም ላይ ዘግይቶ መምጣት ስለማይፈልግ he wake up early yeah this is the purpose of waking up early is wouldn't be late yeah she saved her money in order that she couldn't buy a car she saved her money in order that she could buy yeah saved why did she saved her money because she had a plan to buy a car right in order that she could buy ልክ ነው መኪና ለመግዛት ነው ስለዚህ ልክ ነው the police warned me so that I could do it better of course ልክ ነው purpose ነው እየገለጸልኛል ለምን ነው ዋርን ያደረገልኝ የተሻለ እንድሰራ ነው አይደል I put the notice in order that they will submit their project work okay I took a taxi home late just late I could come home late list ማለት in order that not ማለት ነው list ማለት which has negative meaning ነው ያለው negative meaning in order that or so that not yeah so that not ወይም in order that not ማለት list ማለት ነው ስለዚህ I took a taxi home late I could come home late so I couldn't come home late ማለት yes so that I couldn't come home late አድረሳቸዋል ነገር ወደ ቤት ስመለስ ዘግይቼ አልመጣም ነው ለምንድን ነው የሚለው ይሄ ትርጉም ኔጌቲቭ ኢምፕላይድ ሚኒንግ ስላለው ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ያያቸው ምሳሌ so that in order that እና list ምንድነው ያላቸው ፐርፐዝን የምንገልጽባቸው adverb clause of subordinating conjunction እንላቸዋለን ማለት ነው nice here ሁለተኛው እዚሁ ላይ የተያያዘ ጉዳይ አንድ ነገር አለኝ ምንድነው እሱ to in order to so as to in order not to and so as not to ለምሳሌ to in order to so as to positive result positive purpose ናቸው in order not to so as not to negative purpose ናቸው ግን ያረፍተ ነገር ስትራክቸር ይቀያየር ልክ እንደ so that አንጠቀም so that እንመለስ it has three main structures look here the first main clause is simple past and the main clause or the so that clause or the purpose clause will be conditional would could should might plus verb 1 if the first main clause you ask simple past and the purpose clause will be conditional ይሆናል ማለት ነው this is simple present and present continuous this will be future ይሆናል ማለት ነው if this is past perfect this will be conditional perfect ይሆናል conditional perfect ይሆናል ስለዚህ structure ወይም ፎርሙ ይለያያል እነዚህኞቹ ማለት ነው እዚህ ላይ ስመጣ ለምሳሌ the doctor went to hospital in order to deliver the tablets yeah why did the doctor go to hospital to deliver the tablets exactly she drives towards me so as to give me a lift yeah ለምንድነው ወደኛ ያስከረከረች የመጣች ለኔ ሊፍት ፐርፖዝ ምንድነው ለኔ ሊፍት ለመስጠት yeah so as to give me a lift you know so as to give here this is called verbal phrase እንለዋለን ይሄንን verbal phrase ልታላችሁ ስለዚህ ምንድነው so that give me a lift አንልም in order that አንልም that አንልም ማነው ትክክለኛ ምርጫችን so as to ምክንያቱም so as to የምንጠቀም ከሆነ ቨርቦችን ብቻ ተከትሎ ይሄዳል the in order to deliver the tablets verbን ተከትሎ ይሄዳል in order not disturb them ይላል disturb ምንድነው adjective አይደለም ምን አይደለም verb ነው actually they step silently in order not to disturb them yeah ለምንድነው ቀስ ብሎ ሲራመዱ የነበረው እነሱን ላለ መረበች ነው ስለዚህ in order not to ማለት adverb clause of purpose so that is the different uses of purpose clause የቀደሙት that so that in order that and least ያሆኑ to in order to so as not to in order not to adverb clause of purpose but the way that we use these words are completely different but they infer about purpose of something or purpose of the sentence okay purpose ወይም objectiveን ዓላማን የሚገልጹ adverbs ናቸው አጠቃቀማቸው ደግሞ አሁን ባየናቸው መንገድ ነው የሚሆነው nice please yeah the other kinds of adverb clauses result or effect yeah what result mean result ምንድነው ምክንያትና ውጤትን የምንገልጽባቸው adverb clause of result እንላቸዋል ወይም adverb clause of effect እንላቸዋል result ማለት የሁለተኛው ሐሳብ የመጀመሪያው ሐሳብ result ሆኖ ከተገኘ of course that is the right conjunction please yeah look ለምሳሌ እነዚህ ለማን ናቸው so that in order that so that dot አለ እዚህ ጋር so that such an or such as that it not so a or some and that ግን አንልም ትክክለኛዎቹ effect ወይም result adverbs እነዚህ ሶስቱ ናቸው please yeah ልምጣ እስኪ ወደ እንትኑ ስመጣ so that ላይ ስመጣ so plus yeah so plus adjective or adverb ላይ ተከትሎ የሚሄደው plus that ማለት ያ ይሄውላችሁ እንደዚህ ነው የምትጠቀመው so that ተጠቀም እንደዚህ ነው የምትጠቀመው it's an adverb which modifies an adverb adjective adverb ወይ verb modify ያደርጋል ማለት ነው ለምሳሌ such that ስትጠቀሙ such a or such an plus yeah plus such an interesting adjective or adverb or plus noun yeah and then it's called that clause ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት ይኸውላችሁ ይሄው such ስትጠቀሙ እንደዚህ ነው ተጠቀሙት ያ such a እዚህ ጋር ያለው ነው ምን ሆነ በሰችን ሲንጉለር ነው ተጠቀሙት ሲንጉለር noun ማለት ነው yes ይሄ such ከሆነ ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ያለው ሲንጉለር ማን ይሆናል ማስ ናውን ይሆናል ያ ማስ ናውን ይሆናል ይሄውላችሁ ማስ ናውን ይሆናል ማለት ነው ሉክ አንድ ጊዜ ላስረዳችሁ such or such an ማለት ሲንጉለር ነገር ነው አንድን ስም ብቻ ነው የሚገልጸው either adjective or adverb plus singular noun plus that clause ይሆናል ያ that clause እንጠቀማለን CLU SE እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው if you remove a or an ምናጠፋው ከሆነ ምን እንጠቀማለን such plus adjective or adverb plus mass noun ትጠቀማላችሁ ማለት ነው ይሄን a an ማለት per one ማለት ነው አይደል ከሆነ ደግሞ singular noun አስከትሎ ይላል ይሄን ካጠፋው ደግሞ such ማን ይገልጽና mass noun ተገልጾ that clause እንዳለ ከዚህ ጋር ሄዳል ማለት ነው that is the difference please yeah ለምሳሌ it was such a beautiful day that we went to the beach yeah it was such a beautiful day beautiful is an adjective so this one is called day singular noun order that we went to the beach yeah singular noun is ይቀድም ብያችኋለሁ please the journey is so long that I can't reach on time so plus long adjective that of course I can't which is negative actually the stories are so interesting ይሄው ቀደም ያልኩት ነገር the stories in the plural noun yeah mass noun እንለዋለን the stories are so interesting that I'm eager to read it or I'm eager to read them yeah interesting the stories are so interesting or these are such an interesting story of course yeah so the stories are such interesting such interesting please ይኸውላችሁ ትክክለኛው ወርዳችን ይሄ ነው the stories are such interesting that I'm eager to read them እኔ such that እንዴት እንጠቀማለን ነው such adjective ነው ልብ አድርጉ such adjective ነው such adjective and modify nouns ማን ነው modify የሚያደርገው mass noun ነው ብዙ ቁጥር countable nouns and which are found in the form of plural ብዙ ቁጥር የሆኑትን ነገር እንጠቀምበት the stories are such interesting that I'm eager to read them yes I'm eager to read them እንገልጻለን I read with such fascinating stories yeah I read such fascinating stories yeah such fascinating participle adjective stories which is a noun yeah such plus adjective plus plural noun plus that clause ይሄ ነው ማሳየት የምፈልገው ነገር ስለዚህ such fascinating stories that I feel fun such I feel fun exactly the right place yeah ስለዚህ so that such that and such a or such and that የምንጠቀምበት ይሄ ነው such a and such and that እዚህ ጋር እንደቀለጽኩት so that አሁን such that and such a or such and that adjective ናቸው እነዚህ adjective ከሆኑ ደግሞ ማነው ሞዲፋይ የሚያደርጉት ስምን ሞዲፋይ ያደርጋሉ ፕሊዝ ይሄው አጠቃቀማቸው እዚህ ጋር ጽፌያለሁ አጠቃቀማቸው ስለዚህ they are adjectives which modify verbs adverbs and another adjectives modify ያደርጋሉ ሁለቱም ፓርት ምንድናቸው adjectives of purpose ናቸው እነዚህ adjectives of purpose ናቸው there are some questions ጥያቄዎች አሉ አሁን እዚህ ጋር የምናያቸውኛ የጥያቄው ባህሪ ምንድነው ያ actually pairs of sentences are given here ሁለት አረፍተ ነገሮች ተሰጥተዋል እነዚህን አረፍተ ነገሮች appropriate በሆነው subordinating conjunction አያይዟቸው ነው የሚላችሁ so ምርጫ አይደለም የሰጠዋችሁ think of the different types of subordinating conjunctions and insert where it is necessary የትኛው ቦታ ላይ ነው የሚያስፈልጋቸው and insert it and make complete sentence please yeah it's very critical የሚፈልግ ነገር ነው and maybe the other way so preparing a question is multiple choice questions and completion but this approach is somehow difficult yeah it makes you engage ያረጋቸዋል ይሄ ማለት ነው the bell rang the students rushed out of class ነው የሚላቸው አሁን ይሄን ስታየው ቀደም ለከንዳ first of all read the sentence what kind of subordinating conjunction is required to make one compound or one complex sentence here time ነው የሚፈልገው contrast ነው የሚፈልገው or maybe result ነው cause ነው condition ነው ማንኛው ነው የሚፈልገው እነሱም አናላይዝ ማድረግ አለባቸው the bell rang the students rushed out of class the bell rang ሲል when the bell rang ማለት ነው አይደል when ስለዚህ when ስላላችሁ ማለት ነው yes when the bell rang absolutely right here when the bell rang the students rushed out of the class yeah ደወሉ እንደተደወለ ተማሪዎች ከክላስ ከክፍሉ ስለመውጣት በጣም ፈጥሮ ከክፍሉ ሲወጡ ነበር ነው የሚላቸው ስለዚህ ታይም ነው የሚፈልገው ፕሌስን አይደለም ሪዘልትን አይደለም ወይም ሪዝንን አይደለም something like that አይደለም it was raining they continued playing outside yeah they continued it was raining yes these two clauses are two opposite ideas yeah it was raining they continued playing outside yeah ዝናብ እየጣለ ነበር ስለዚህ ልጆቹ ጨዋታቸውን ቀጥለው ነበር ነው ያልናል ዝናብ መጣሉ አንድ ነገር የዚህ ተቃራኒ ደግሞ መጫወት መቻላቸው ነው ስለዚህ ማነው ምትወት also ማለት ነው ያ also yes although ማለት ሁለት ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦችን ያያይዝላችኋል ማለት ነው አይደል ሁለት ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦችን ያያይዝላችኋል ማለት ነው we left early we could avoid the traffic we left early we could avoid the traffic yeah reason result contrast condition comparison which one do you think is right please we left early we could avoid the traffic why we could we left early ለምንድነው በጧት ወጥተን የነበረው we could avoid the traffic yes right ነው የሚላችሁ ስለዚህ ቀደም ስንድነው እዚህ ጋር main clause ላይ simple past ከሆነ conditional ላይ conditional plus verb one ተጠቀማለን በያለው ስለዚህ ልክ ነው አሁን ስለዚህ ማን እንላለን ማለት ነው so that ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው ያ so that or in order that or that is also possible please ሁለቱም መልስ ይሆናል ሶስቱም መልስ ይሆናል so that in order that he waited yes he waited patiently the train arrived he waited patiently yeah until the train arrived yeah patiently መጠበቅ ነበረበት ነው የሚልነው ስለዚህ ምንድን ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው ሰዓት መግለጽ ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው ያ ሰዓት መግለጽ ይፈልጋል ስለዚህ ማን እንላለን መልሳችን until or till ብለን እንመልሳለን ማለት ነው until ወይም till question number 5 I think she studied hard she passed the test with flying colors yeah she studied hard yeah and she passed the test with flying colors what condition reason contrast maybe comparison ማንኛውም ነው እስኪ ነው እዚህ ጋር ያ since ካላችሁ በጣም ትክክል ነው yes since ካላችሁ ልክ ናችሁ since ካላችሁ ልክ ናችሁ since እስኪ ከተውት since she studied hard she passed the test with flying colors yeah exactly reason ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ ልክ ነው ማለት ነው ስድስተኛ you can come with us you finish, yeah, exactly. If you come, you finish. If you finish, you work, yeah. If you finish, you work. ልክ ነው። ፖሲቢሊቲ ነው የሚያሳያል። ይሄውላችሁ you can come with us if you finish your work or your homework የቤት ስራን ጨርሰህ ከሆነ ከኛ ጋር መምጣት ትችላለህ። ኮንዲሽን ፖሲቢሊቲ ነው but it's not completely allowed to come to with us, yeah. አልተፈቀደለትም። ፖሲቢሊቲ እንግዲህ ያሳያል። question number 7 here. He was found a wallet on the street. He was working, yes. As he was working, he found a wallet. As he found the wallet, he found the wallet, yeah. As he was working, he found a wallet on the floor. So the reason የሚፈልግ ጥያቄ ነው። ስለዚህ መልሳችን ማለት ነው as እንጠቀማለን። Nice, please. Question number 8. We decided to go hiking. The weather wasn't perfect, yeah. ምንም እንኳን ወይዘሮ እንትን ባይልም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ማን ተጠቀማለን? ኦልዞ ማለት ነው። yes, ኦልዞ ማለት ነው። በደንብ ዩዝ ፕሊስ፣ ያ ኦልዞ because the ideas are contrast ናቸው። ሁሉም ሐሳቦች ተቃራኒ ናቸው። ሐሳቡ የሚያወጣብን አይደለ? ተቃራኒ ለምሳሌ ምንድን እያለ ያለው although we decided to go hiking the weather wasn't perfect, yeah. hiking ለመጫወት ብንዋስንም የአየር ጸባዩ ግን ፐርፌክት አይደለም፣ የሚጠበቀው ነገር አይደለም ነው እያለችው ያለው። I visit my grandparents. They cook my favorite food. Yes, I visit my grandparents. They cook my favorite food. So the answer is whenever, yeah. Whenever I visit my grandparents. Whenever I visit. Whenever I visit my grandparents, they cook my favorite food. No, that's really absolutely true, please, yeah. She couldn't attend the meeting, yeah. She couldn't attend the meeting. Her car broke down. ስለዚህ ማን ነው ምንድነው የገለጸልኝ ያለው ሪዝን ነው አይደል? because ብለ እየገለጻለሁ ማለት ነው። because yeah, she couldn't attend the meeting because her car was broken. yeah. ለምንድነው ስብሰባውን ተካፍላ ያልነበረው? ምክንያቱም የሆነ ችግር አጋጥሞታል፣ ወይ አሟታል፣ ወይ ከሀገር ውጭ ለፊልድ ወርክ ነች፣ ሲክ ሊቭ ነች። it's her turn to work to support for just ሌሎችን ያ። ስለዚህ ምንድነው her car was broken ኮዙ ስለሆነ because እዚህ ጋር እንጠቀምበታለን። question number 11. He studied hard. He might secure the top position here. He studied hard that he might secure ቅድም ያልነው adverb clause support ፐርፖዞች እዚህ ጋር እንጠቀምባቸው ሰዓት መጠቀም እንችላለን። He studied hard that he might secure the top position. He studied hard in order that or so that you must secure the opposition ነው የሚለው። ስለዚህ ማን ይፈልጋል? ፐርፖዝን የሚፈልግ ነው። Why? He studied hard because he must secure the top position, yeah. secure ማድረግ ስለሚፈልግ ይሄን ነገር ሰራ። ስለዚህ እነዚህ that in order that so that at least for fear that they are important types of adverb clause of purpose because they infer about purpose. Why they study hard ለምሳሌ they must secure the proposition. ይሄን ነገር secure ማድረግ ስለሚፈልጉ so that in order that መጠቀም እንችላለን ማለት ነው። That's called some questions, some sample questions focusing on subordinating conjunction including clear explanation for a question. Please ለእያንዳንዱ ጥያቄ መልስ ሰጥቼበታለሁኝ። አሁን መልስ የተሰጠበትን ነገር እዩት። ከዛ በኋላ actually you can just practice by taking some your own examples for each subordinating conjunction. በራሳችሁ ምሳሌ እየወሰዳችሁ try to make an example sentence. I think that's what I want to say it, please, yeah. I think you will get some kinds of information about what subordinating conjunction and the different use of subordinating conjunction, but I want to underline here is this is from Family Leak. Subscribe, like and share my channels. If you want to contact with me, you can just have my address and you'll contact with you. For the time being, thank you, goodbye, have a nice dream, please.